Luang Pu Bungkur Sululat started construction of this park in 1958. It's a combination of Hindu influences and Buddhist influences due to a Hindu rishi that he studied under before he started constructing the park in 1958. Around the time of 1975, when there was a revolution within Laos, he started to fear for his safety. So what he decided to do was move just across the river this way, across the border, across the Mekong, into Thailand, and construct an almost identical park called Sala Kyokwin. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I have exactly 1 day in Vientiane, the capital, and we're going to go to, say it with me now, the concrete Buddha Park. This is what it looks like, the entrance. So you know you're in the right place. And the ticket price is only 40,000 kip, which is less than £2. We've learned two valuable lessons on the way to this park. One, when you come down here, it is very slick, so be very careful. And two, if you are traveling in an open air tuk-tuk for 30 minutes and you have curly hair, it is currently my 29th birthday. My hair looks just something else. Wear a hat, because otherwise it's going to be distractingly terrible for the rest of the video. Now, the reason we've come to this Buddha Park today is that the vast majority of travelers that you meet in Southeast Asia who have come to Laos say, don't go to Vientiane, because there's nothing to do. But the very few that do have a recommendation say, come to the concrete Buddha Park. Not because it's amazing, but because it's weird. So we're going to try and find out if it is weird. But so far, it just looks quite pretty.
I look quite pretty.
It's a nice park. You can definitely see what people mean when they say it's strange, because you're used to seeing Buddha statues everywhere. You get some variations, some gold ones, some in prayer stance, some with the palm up, like that. However, there's some strange statues here. For example, this one right behind me, we're about to go into. I mean, we have to get up there, right? You just gotta. It's really quite odd. I wonder if there's any significance to the time on the clock here as well. I mean, what? What is that? If anyone can tell me what the significance of the time is on the clock, that would be grand. It's a bit of a squat to get in, man. Don't go up if you're over 50. Someone should have warned Jackie about that when we got together. Be careful, the fool is slippy. I was just like, what's in this tiny hole? Oh, someone with a sword about to get you. I apologise if I'm being disrespectful. I don't think I am, because this isn't a religious complex. It's just a lot of concrete Buddhas. But if I am being offensive, I apologise. Please tell me exactly why in the comments, and I will be sure to never do that again. This is quite tricky to climb. Flashbacks of the Angkor Wat episode. That's a bit more standard. Where else was that? Where did I see the snakes before? That was in Laos, in Luang Prabang, away from Quang Si. A lot of the faces are different. You would expect these to be sort of just poured molds, but they're not. There's a lot of variation in the faces. See? Makes them feel a bit more real. That one, on the other hand, I don't know quite what happened to them. I am sweating profusely. It's about 40 degrees, I think. Got to be careful with my diabetes sensor as well. Just whacked my bad knee. Oh, I gotta use the weak leg. There we go. Okay. We're doing good. This is why, apparently, if you're above 50, you shouldn't come up. However, having said that, my grandfather, Frank, he would be totally fine doing this because he's in better shape than I am. I really feel like I'm going to drop my phone down this. Look at this tiny hole you have to get through.
Going out, brother?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Yeah, it's tight. I think you're falling.
Luangpur Bungkur Sulalat started construction of this park in 1958. It's a combination of Hindu influences and Buddhist influences due to a Hindu rishi that he studied under before he started constructing the park in 1958. Around the time of 1975, when there was a revolution within Laos, he started to fear for his safety. So what he decided to do was move just across the river this way, across the border, across the Mekong into Thailand, and construct an almost identical park called Sala Kyokwin. And in fact, if you're stood in Sala Kyokwin, you can see this structure that we're stood on now from the other side of the river. And after a long period of time, he returned back to Laos and continued work on this park. And it's a beautiful place for locals and tourists alike to come and have a look around, enjoy the day, see the statues, and it's nice to see a little bit of artistry that's less to do with the Buddhist side or the Hindu side, but more to do with the art. It turns out the Buddha Park is nowhere near as big as I thought it was. That's literally life right now. Oh my god. Yeah, this park is nowhere near as big as I thought it was going to be. However, if you're interested in temples and all that kind of thing, go check out this video right here for just having people waving at me because I've got my camera out. So you come say hi. Come this side and say hi.
Hello. Hi.
There you go, see, everybody's happy at the Buddha Park. That's funny. She just said, well, did she say welcome to China?
She said that, right?
I think in China's opinion, Laos is almost annexed at this point, but just not officially. See you later, enjoy the rest of your trip. So yes, the Buddha Park is not actually that big. It's more of just it's not even a full day trip, I don't think. I haven't fully explored yet, but it's more a couple of hours, maybe 3 hours tops. And maybe come on a day when it's a little overcast, because dang is it hot. It's the concrete Buddha Park. Concrete equals a lot of heat. But if you're interested in other temples, such as Angkor Wat, you can click this video right here and go and check those out. There's a series of 3 videos of multiple different temples and different areas that you can get into in Siem Reap in Cambodia. So if you're on a Southeast Asian trip or you're just interested in looking at the temples, go and check those videos out. And they're a lot longer because dang, that complex is huge. Let's go check out some more of this park. At the Buddha Park, there is a play park that has big trampolines. Is it worth 30,000 kip to do one backflip on my 29th birthday? I feel like a total dumbass doing this, but I want to see if I can do a backflip with no knee brace on my 29th birthday, so I'm gonna pay to go in a kids park. I'm gonna ask if I have to pay. Savadi, I only want to use this. Is it okay? Or I need to pay? Yeah. Just for this. No, not this. This. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Kapcha. I feel so dumb. I feel really dumb. I tell you what, I'm gonna make you a deal. If I can do a backflip with no knee brace, because my knees are terrible, and I definitely should have brought knee braces, and I would have done if I'd have known I was gonna be doing a backflip, but I didn't. So I haven't. Here's the deal. If I can land a backflip with no knee brace on my 29th birthday, you subscribe for me. Good deal? Good deal. Thank you for making that deal. Also, it's worth mentioning, this possible injury has cost me £1.25. Oh, this could be really bad. It feels all right. It feels good. Should we warm up with a couple of these? Oh, smooth motion, mate. A little bit. He's looking like he's going to tell me off, so I'm going to have to hurry up and do this flip. Oh. Now you gotta subscribe. Woo. I feel no less stupid, but that was really fun. I think the guy was really worried I was gonna break the trampoline. He was making motions like you're too heavy for it. Oh well. Right, let's go see some pretty flowers and get out of here. It is my understanding that under normal circumstances, what I am about to do is completely not okay. So I've got a butterfly on my foot. It's a blessing for what I'm about to do. Under normal circumstances, this is not allowed. However, everyone has been using the gong all day. Hitting a gong is on my bucket list-ish. It is now that I have the opportunity to do it, so I'm gonna hit the gong. That's so fun to hit it. I'm gonna see if I can get the guy from the kiddie park I just did a backflip in to wave to me, because he keeps smiling every time I go by because he thinks I'm a complete idiot. Through the love heart, because we love this man. Sabaidi! Yay! Kupchai! Hi, my name's Jack Hates the Cold. I travel the world being a pain in the ass to people who run stuff at heritage sites. I don't really. I think he was just worried that I might end up losing him his job, because I could have broke the trampoline because I'm big and heavy. I'm not a small child. Right, let's head out. I spent the last of today's money on the kid park trampoline flip. So once again, please do subscribe, because that was for your benefit, not mine. I definitely just didn't really want to prove to myself that I can still do a backflip at 29. I asked a very nice security man at the Buddha Park which way, right or left, was best to go and try and find an ATM. I'm currently on this huge highway with not much to the left or right. And he said to go right to go and try and find an ATM. So that's what we're doing. We're going to find some money, and then we're going to have to probably walk back to the Buddha Park to find a tuk-tuk and get ripped off. But that's fine. I would rather do that than spend 3 hours trekking back into Vientiane. Security man at the Buddha Park, coming in clutch. I didn't even have to walk that far. I really thought that was going to be like a half-hour trek, but boom, there he is. Let's get some money, let's get a tuk-tuk, and let's get home and get in the dang pool. Woo, money. Did you notice how long it took for my card to come out there? So if you're drunk in Laos, remember, wait ages after your money comes out to grab your card back, because otherwise you're gonna lose your card. Be careful, boys and girls, be careful. As it's my birthday, it's a day for firsts. I've always wanted to try hitchhiking. I'm struggling to find a lift here. I could try and use the app, but before that, I'm gonna try and hitchhike. I've written myself a very rudimentary sign, and we're gonna give it a go. I thought it had worked for a second there, but I don't think the guy's pulling in. He made a motion like he was gonna, but he didn't. We'll try again. Let's try some more. It worked! My first hitchhiking experience completely worked, and it took about 5 minutes. This very lovely man has picked me up and is gonna drop me somewhere near Vientiane, so perfect. 49?
Yeah.
You look good.
Okay.
You look good, Jan,
Thank you.
for 49. Very good.
Thank you.
Construction keeps you young
Yeah.
and strong. This river, the other side, is Thailand.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Over there, Thailand. You can go Thailand?
Yes, I can. I went for 1 month. It was nice, very nice, but very expensive. A lot of money in Thailand.
Yeah. Cheap. Cheap for you, but expensive for me. Have a good job.
Yeah, it's good. If
Yeah.
China brings more money to Laos, it's
Yeah.
good for Lao people.
Yeah. I send you friendship, okay?
Yeah.
Friendship, okay? I send you friendship. I come back to look this job. shop.
Okay.
Okay.
It's okay, I can go here. It's fine. I'm
Okay.
closer now, so
Okay.
it's good.
This shop I
Yeah.
look for the very
construction.
construction. Yeah.
Yeah.
I send you friendship. Okay.
Sure.
Okay. Jax, you have family? Have son?
No, not
No.
yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Okay.
I finish travel and then maybe.
Oh.
Yeah. You have son?
Yes, I have daughter and one son.
Yeah.
2 sons. One daughter.
Oh,
2
nice.
sons.
Who's your favorite?
Oh. my son 25 years old.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Does he work for construction too?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Look.
Does he work with you?
Yeah.
Ah, that's good.
You very happy in Laos?
Yes, I like Laos. I think this time I only spend 3 weeks, but
Oh.
I want to learn to ride a motorbike very well, so
Oh.
I'm safe. And
Yeah.
then I will come back to Laos
Yeah.
and see all of Laos.
Is it
I
here?
like it here. Yes,
Okay,
this is
okay.
fine for me. Thank you.
Yeah.
I hope your work
Okay.
goes well.
Maybe sometime I go to Vientiane.
Thank you, Jan.
Okay, John. Okay, Jack. Sorry.
Jack, yeah.
Sorry.
Jack and Jan. Yeah. See you.
See you.
Make sure I get all my stuff. Khắp Jan ở đây.
Vô bên nhang. Bye bye.
That's amazing! I can't believe I've done my first ever hitchhike. That was wonderful. And the mic's over here, so I'm sorry if the audio is terrible there. But what a nice man. Jan works in construction, seems a very happy guy. I can't believe I just did my first hitchhike. I'm so stoked. And my mum's going to be very upset, but we might not tell her. Just, I'll make sure she doesn't see this video. Amazing. I'm so happy, man. That was sick. Now I got to work out how to get the rest of the way back to Vientiane, but still, awesome. What's it called? Ratio Coffee. So that guy was very sweet. He was too busy to do a small interview with us because he's doing an interview for his own channel. His coffee shop's been there about 2 years. One of the very few people who's targeting to reduce the amount of plastic. Pay no attention to that. And it's actually 20,000 kip off if you bring your own cup, and this was 35,000 kip, so that's less than half price if you bring your own cup, and it's right next to the hostel that I'm staying in. I'll drop a link in the description as well, I guess. So yeah, go to him and take your own cup and you'll get damn near a free coffee. Very nice guy. He was too busy to do an interview with us today, and he did offer to do one tomorrow, but unfortunately I'm flying to Vietnam tomorrow, so I don't have time for that. But yeah, go grab a coffee from that guy. He seems a really, really nice fella. And it's all coffee grown in Laos. And it's good. So we made it back to the hostel, and I do have something to admit. I cheated a little bit with the hitchhiking. Wait. The hitchhiking was legitimate, but he wasn't coming all the way back to Vientiane. So he dropped me off in not the middle of nowhere, halfway between where I was and Vientiane. If you are going to go and do the Buddha Park, this is kind of a lesson to make sure that you have organized transport back before you go there. So you might be better off getting a tour than what I did. I'm super happy that I broke the seal on hitchhiking because it's something I've always wanted to do but just never been brave enough to do. And today was the day that I felt like I could do it. And I didn't get killed. I thought, right, I'll get a taxi for the rest of it this time. But I have broken the seal now, so I'm sure that I'm going to hitchhike some more. And I've just got back to the garden hostel, and it's nice here. It's not too bad, man. Look at this lovely little bit of graffiti that they've got. Welcome home. And that pretty much ends my birthday video. I'm gonna go jump in the pool and get some sleep. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, please. It means a lot to me. It's still a very small channel, so I do notice every single one.